Pairing an original Super Commando 440 with correct 6-barrel induction and a correct 4-speed manual transmission, this 1970 Plymouth Cuda is prime Mopar muscle. Methodically restored, this E-Body's latest rebuild began when most of its solid original sheet metal was carefully stripped and lovingly refinished. In addition to being an early member of the 902 1970 446-barrel hardtop 4-speed Cudas produced, this Plymouth is a legit limelight high-impact paint car. What's more, that two-stage looks mean under correct longitudinal sport stripes. Open the doors and you'll find a correct black interior that's built around optional leather seating. In front of the driver, an ornate rim-blow steering wheel laps a wood-trimmed dash that's finished with detailed rally gauges and vintage Chrysler solid-state audio. And below that dash, stain-free carpet traces a Hurst pistol grip shifter. Lift the hood and you'll find Plymouth's storied 446-barrel V8. That Super Commando sends its power to a correct A833 4-speed that spins a Dana 60 with 410 gears. Thanks to solid restoration, exceptional performance, and classic good looks, this Cuda is poised to please even the most discerning muscle car enthusiast. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.